If you want to sound more senior at work, stop explaining and start reframing. Most people communicate like this. I think we should try this approach because it might work better. That sounds unsure. Senior professionals communicate like this. Based on what we're seeing, the best path forward is this approach because it drives better results. Same idea, completely different level of confidence. Here's the prompt to use with AI. Rewrite this message to sound more executive, confident, and concise. Paste in your email, Slack message, or talking points, and let it upgrade your tone instantly. Use this for status updates, stakeholder communication, leadership meetings, asking for raises or promotions. You already have the ideas. This just changes how you deliver them. Work smarter, grow faster, earn more. Follow the Synthetic Hustle for more AI career hacks.